When we start introducing L-Acoustics to clients, it's often something that homeowners don't realize that they can have within their own homes. When people design and build their homes, there are so many different elements which need to have consideration.
Homeplay's been going for about 15 years. We started out selling fairly simple multi-room hi-fi systems and simple home cinemas and media rooms. We've really grown into a more substantial business capable of doing larger, more complex projects. I was at home on a Sunday afternoon and this email came through and said, I'm building this great space. I'd like a really great sound system for it. It was going to be used for parties and DJing, and we want something that can play loud. I thought, oh wow, I've got just the stuff for you.
They were able to come to our showroom and feel the music, not just hear it, but feel it. At that point, he was really set on us designing a bespoke solution for his property. Homeplay did a 3D model of the space, which enabled them to use virtual reality so that the clients could experience the space before it even existed.
So the house has a pretty extensive entertainment area focused around an outdoor swimming pool. Next to the pool is a beautiful pool house with big glass frontage. Inside there's also a dining area. Moving up through the pool house, up some stairs, you come into the studio, which is where the real focus of our system is. A large room with a big vaulted ceiling. We've made a custom desk, lift off the lid, and then there's DJ decks underneath the desk. The interior is very rustic, industrial kind of feel. And trying to tie all the technology that we've got in there into that was a challenge. And the fact that we can get the acoustic speakers in any RAW finish that we want really helped us to blend the speaker system with the interior. The L-Acoustics range are all IP rated, so they're fine to live outdoors, which is a big bonus because it meant that we could be quite free in what sort of speakers we wanted to spec where.
Something that L-Acoustics is really, really proud of is our ELISA technology. That's immersive sound.
Around the pool is a 13.1 system with 8 subwoofers. So it's quite a special space that really just envelop you in breathtaking sound.
As consumers are made more and more aware of what's possible, more and more people will be wanting to have in their homes. When integrators like Homeplay learn about L-Acoustics, I think it's something which they realize is truly special to be able to offer their clients. There's a rich heritage behind the company, and that's a story which they can relate to their customers.
Out of all the projects I've ever worked on, this really is quite unique, and there is no way we could have created the sort of experience that we have done without L-Acoustics.